Hello, my friends. This is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. We're going to do a side bloom today. I was going to do a poppy, but I think my colors need to be a little different for a poppy. So we're just going to do a beautiful flower. And our colors, we're going to start off with Pyrole Orange, and this is by Golden. Next, we have Liquitex Magenta. I love their magenta. And then we have by Golden, their Gold Bright Fine. All right, for the leaves, we'll be using a little bit of the Pebeo Green Blue, and then Pebeo's Green Yellow. My pillow paint is PPG Multi Pro. Let's see, I have a thin layer on it, but let me put some more on. All right, let me spin that out just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Clean my hands here and we'll get started. How is everyone today? Yeah? How's your weather? I know it's just all over the place in the States here. But we're here in Napa, California. We have the most sunny, beautiful, mild weather. I sure wish we got snow sometimes, but anyway, let's start off. Let's scoot this over in the middle a little bit more. Okay. So we're gonna make a puddle, not in the middle, just a little bit down. And this is gonna be the Pyrole Orange. There we go. Next is our Liquitex Magenta. Orange seems a little thicker, but this is going to be beautiful. I hope that's not too much. And a little bit gold fine, just in the middle. All right, next I'm gonna, well, I saw that, pop some bubbles. And my Pebeo Green Blue, I'm just gonna do it right here. And then our Green Yellow by Pebeo, right there on top. All right. So I'm going to be using black Oxide cell activator. This is using Australian floral. And I'm going to be using the world's smallest little blow dryer. You can get it on Amazon. Okay, looks like a poppy. Though I think I dug into the pillow paint a little too much because it's a little wider than I would like, but I can see it's a big divot right there. So my pillow was really thick right there. So poppy it is. So I may not be doing a lot of you know, too many lines to make a lot of leaves because poppies usually don't have it, but I do have some extra cell activator. A little bit blue there. Okay. I don't think you'd find blue in the poppy, but I like the blue. All right. Let's see, a little off center. Okay, I'm going to use my skewer and just do that. There. That's pretty. Now, normally, is it moving? It's not moving as one, so let me just wait a minute. and I'll get back to you. Okay, my friends, so I don't think I'm going to, let's see, maybe I'll just do a little bit. I think that's good. Don't want to do much more. All right, are we ready to spin this out? I think we are. All right, let's go. Not gonna do it too fast. Oh, it is gorgeous though. It's simple, but it's gorgeous. Let me scoot it over a little bit this way. And I do need to, my hands are dripping with paint, but wow, that's really pretty if you can see that up close. Let me get him. Don't want to drip with my hands. That's really pretty. I wonder how much, let me test to see how much paint I have on. Oh, not much at all. Well, that's good because I don't want to spin it out anymore. I see just a little that I could pop. All right, my friends, I am happy with this. What do you think? Let's see if I can get you down. I will get you down for a close-up, but. All right, my friends, simple. I didn't do a whole lot to it. But then this was supposed to be a puppy, and so it did get a little white out there. A puppy's not really like that, but and maybe a puppy doesn't have magenta, but hey, it's my first try with the puppy. And maybe I'll have to go look at a picture of a puppy. I'm just thinking in my garden every year, there's so many, so. All right, my friends, God bless you. And I'll take you down for a close-up and then we'll try it again. All right, bye-bye.